everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I would like to introduce you to the Dinah Bag by Catsiopeia Patterns. I have no words for how incredibly adorable this cat themed bag is. You can see she's not an overly large bag. She can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Actually, the strap will go short enough that it can almost be an arm bag as well. Let me show you some of the wonderful features of this bag. So you can see here how we have kind of a cat theme with little nose and whiskers. Underneath this flap here, we have a slip pocket here, which would be great for your keys or your phone or what have you. On the back, we have a zipper that goes about halfway across the bag. And on the inside, I have a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. She is just an adorable bag. This one I did, whoops. This one I did with dual colored straps, which I think is a really nice accent to it. And yeah, so if you would like one of these bags ordered in your choices of vinyls and fabrics, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, I have a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.